When they tightly strap me in, give me lethal injection, just a few moments to live. No remorse for what I did, it's for the betterment of man. I gave the utmost sacrifice, before more damage could be done, I took his life. There was a split second of silence when the dark punctured the skin. PDI rope hanging head, body drop from the poison. They could incapacitate me, but could not erase my stare. I heard 1,000 people screaming while 3 billion others cheered. He was gone, and I would soon be executed by the state. All appeals would be in vain. I was not criminally insane. In fact, I was found to be an otherwise caring and respectable member of society. A minor threat, except for that one that I killed. As the sedatives take effect, I just smile and close my eyes. There's a priest kneeling next to me. He asked me if I realized I was going straight to hell, and he thought that I should know that the man I killed's replacement planned this whole scenario. And what I did had no significance at all.
Hồi nãy
Tension and smack, tighter on the run. Traded the needle for the gun. Tired of living small, tired of the withdrawal. No more retreat, give it the all. Oh Benny, how many times you tried to kill yourself? ODs and robberies and super stunts. I never thought you'd die for them. Run around in tanks, fire run up blanks. Benny, I never had such fun. Doing to go wrong, step into a bomb, and that's when Benny got blown up. Alone, under a blanket soaked with sweat and piss. We figured Benny would end up like this. We just didn't think for them. We call the heartland, not very smart land. IQs are very low, but threat levels are high. They got a mandate, they don't want mandates. They got so many hates of people to despise. In the dust bowl, cerebral black hole. The average weight is well over 200 pounds. I hate to generalize, but have you seen the thighs? Most haven't seen their genitalia in a while. Baby, that's why they're so scared of us. We've concerns other than pornography. Queers, transgens, and lesbians, vegans and vegetarians. All you brownies, red and yellow ones, come and join us on the coast. No longer svelte, they got a
ここ鋭い感じですね、かなり。さあ、みんなやるかな、これ。